Hey, so for those of you that want to see how fast I can put this back together. Um, so we're gonna start, of course, with the board already in the case. And all right, let's go. I'm kind of curious how fast I can actually put it back together as well. Not for bragging rights or anything like that. It just, as a kid, I actually took these apart quite regularly. I mean, this was honestly one of my first consoles that I took apart as a kid. I did one of those quote unquote life hacks. So I took a ballpoint pen, I punched out the pen mechanism, and I made myself a tool to get the security bits out. And then I think for the longest time, when I started kind of fixing these guys, is I used a tool set from, I think it was Canadian Tire that I bought it from. And these guys are a little bit tight, but that is actually a little bit normal for them. I am kind of actually expecting somebody at the door, which is kind of interesting that I'm doing a recording when I'm expecting somebody to come at the door. Which I think it would be kind of funny if I get the doorbell while I'm recording. And then I got one more screw which goes down there. Honestly, I don't know why they didn't fill up all the slots, but for some odd reason it just kind of is. Right now I'm sitting at 3 minutes using no power tools for anybody keeping count. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Alright, so now we put the back case on, or front case I should say. Okay, what's in your way? Helps if you have the power on the right side. Because the power button, at least in North America, is a slider. In fact, I think they went with almost the same design throughout. So just to make things a lot easier in the design phase. I'm at 5 minutes already. Damn it. I've gotten slow. I've gotten rusty. Now, one thing I should probably mention about these feet is they do have little divots, so they only fit in one of 4 ways. So you just kind of spin them until they kind of drop into place. Alright, so this guy goes in there. That goes in there, like so. And that is time.